November the 19th, 2022. Following the last moral lecture, today Mr. Sim presented the second half of the 心悔改法, for the mind to repent, the way for the mind to repent.
Okay.
So the last one we already learned 八善, the 8 kindness. Now we're going to learn also the 8 evil heart that leads to the death. So let's get started. Again, I'm going to go over each character very quickly. So first pinyin, 心, the heart.
Yeah.
悔,
悔
regret. 改,
改
change.
change.
Regret and to change basically means repent.
Yeah.
法, the way.
法
Together means repent. Very key word. Okay, repent. So this is 八,
八
8. This is 恶, means evil. 死,
死
death. 知 of, that's one. 根 root.
根
根 yeah.
根
Okay.
根
So we'll do it together. 八
八
恶 死
死
知
知
根
根
八
八
恶 死
死
知
知
根.
根
The root of death
Yeah.
is the 8 evil mind, 8 evil heart. Okay.
Okay.
Now let's look at this 8 evil heart, 8 evil mind state. The first one, 毒 poison.
毒 Yeah.
毒 means poison.
嗯
The heart is full of poison,
嗯
vicious. Okay. Heart, 心
心
mind, heart. Okay.
Okay.
Heart, mind, heart.
Okay.
In the Asian language, especially in spiritual world, the heart always connect with the mind.
Yeah.
Mind is connected with heart. So we
Yeah.
call it mind heart or heart mind.
Okay.
Poison heart, poison mind. Okay. 毒心, 毒
毒
心,
心
毒心.
毒心
Next one, 色
色
色itself means color. Color, just 色颜色 means color, but when it refers to the mind and the heart nature, it means lust. People see beautiful women, they have this lustful feeling. They got attracted by things that they think is beautiful, and they want it. That 色 stir up some wanting, deep desire. It's a desire for lust. Okay, so the heart of lust. Okay, lust.
Lust Yeah.
心 Okay,
心
yeah.
Okay.
色心
色心
Yeah. So these days, especially in the Western world, when you go to see a movie, you see quite a lot of temptations of 色, lust. 贪
贪
means greed.
Yeah.
Yeah. 贪心
贪心
贪心.
贪心
The
呀
mind and the heart that is greedy.
嗯
They want more money, more house, more everything.
嗯
So
呀
that heart is not good.
呀
贪心, yeah. Next is 妒.
妒
jealous.
妒
Yeah,
Dous.
jealous.
yeah jealous yeah
Jealous. Okay.
jealous 嗯
Yeah, so 妒心.
妒心 OK
When other people have something, you don't have it, you become jealous. So that's 妒心.
妒心
Next is 欺. 欺 means to deceive.
yeah
Deception. Yeah.
deceive
Deception. 欺. To
欺
lie, to deceive, to cover up the truth.
yeah
欺心.
欺心
The mind and the heart
嗯
of deception.
嗯
Yeah.
地心
Next is 西耶邪.
邪
邪 basically means not straight. It's sidewise. So it usually actually means evil.
vicious also
Evil.
vicious
邪 basically means bad and evil.
嗯
Yeah. The du is more like vicious.
嗯
But 邪 means evil.
嗯
It's not good.
yeah
邪心.
邪心
What is a
邪心
good example of 邪心? Like when you start to think about harming other people, do something bad. Anything that your mind thinking about do something bad, that mind and heart is 邪心.
嗯
Anything that's not straight is 邪心. Yeah.
嗯
Mhm.
yeah
This is 嗔.
嗔
Chen.
嗔
Chen means angry.
嗔 oh yeah
Means angry. So when the person is angry, they always berate other people, curse at people.
嗯
That is really a bad mind state. Okay.
嗔心
Chen Xing,
嗯
Chen
嗔
Xing,
心
angry
Okay.
heart, angry mind.
yeah
And the last one is 我. 我 means
我
me. Me. Everything is about me.
嗯
Self-centered, selfishness.
嗯
Yeah.
yeah
Self-centeredness.
我
Self-centeredness.
嗯
Okay.
yeah
Someone cannot think for others. Only think for satisfying me. That is a big problem.
嗯
The person, if you always think about me, and don't think about how to say, what about helping other people? What about think other people's sufferings?
嗯
Be considerate of other people.
嗯
Then that will still leading to death.
yeah
So the fundamental problem of all the trouble, all these hearts, all these minds, the root cause of it is me.
嗯
Selfishness, self-centeredness is the foundation of death,
嗯 yeah
as a matter of fact. So this is something that a lot of people don't understand.
嗯我
The
心
moment you are selfish, then you cannot go up.
yeah That's
Going up, the elevation process is gradually letting go of your selfishness.
嗯
The reason the life become heavy and the job down.
嗯
For me, I truly understand now that the Falun Dafa teaching talks about the origin of human, originally born in the universe, but during the social interactions, some life become selfish.
嗯
Then they no longer conform to that levels of existence they jump to another level, social interaction, they become selfish again. Then they jump, all the way jump into now human world. In the human world, again, this is a fundamental problem. If we cannot learn to now return to our true self by letting go of that selfishness,
嗯
cultivating away the selfishness, then the ultimate destination for human spirit is the destruction, death.
yeah
So that's why this teaching the way to repent. The one that's the root of the root of death actually is selfishness. If without selfishness, you will not be angry. If without selfishness, you will not have wrong, bad, horrible thoughts. If without selfishness, you don't want to deceive other people. For what? It's all for yourself. If without selfishness, why you are jealous when other people are doing better? If without selfishness, why you need to be greedy and want more and more and more for yourself, right? If without selfishness, why you see some beautiful things, you want to get it for yourself? Lust is about possess beauty, you know? So without selfishness, why you are having poisonous heart and want other people to die, kill other people, beat other people, do vicious things to other people? It's so this is really the root. The root of the death, the cause of the death is selfishness. And the whole thing of the cultivation process, the whole thing is actually elevation of spirit by letting go of selfishness. So I think this moral teaching can, if we meditate every day, we look at this. We look at it. Do I have 独心? Do I have 色心? Do I have 贪心? Oh, today I actually saw something good. I want to get a lot. 贪心, that's greed. Do I have the mind of jealousy when I see my friend actually was successful? Am I jealous? We need to watch out our mind. Also, do I deceive other people because of I want to cover up some of my wrongdoings? Do I start to think evil thoughts, want other people to suffer because I hate him, because he did something bad to me? I hate him, and I want him to suffer too. Those are all evil thoughts, right? 嗔心, I'm so angry. Oh yeah, he treated me bad, and I'm gonna get back to him. That's angry. And then when you look at the whole thing about why I'm so nervous, why I'm so sad, why I'm so disappointed. This is all because of me. You let go of that. Let go of the selfish feeling. Suddenly you feel that everything's okay because your own selfishness that drag you into a corner of sufferings. So every day by examining our heart and say, do we have one of those 8, evil in our heart, and we're going to cultivate it out. I guarantee your body is going to be healthy and happy and getting stronger, and you with a heart of repent. If I do have them, I repent. I want to say, please, our Creator, help me to get rid of it. I don't want it, it's not me, it's not good, So this is really a table to examine daily, meditate daily to improve. Let's just very quickly review it now, okay? From the beginning. 心 悔 改 法 心悔改法 八恶死之根 独心 色心 贪心 妒心 七心 邪心 嗔心 我心 Yeah, we don't want it. We don't want it. when we repeat that, we say we don't want it. 独心 色心 贪心 妒心 七心 邪心 嗔心 我心 We don't want it. Okay. We don't want it, correct?
Correct.
We'll get rid of all of it every day. Meditate over it. We don't want it because it's the 8 evil mind and heart state, and it's the root of death, and we're going to repent, and we will improve ourselves and elevate every day.
Okay.
I send my best wishes.
Thank you. You are the best teaching.